Hey guys. Just came back from fishing trip with my daughter, Sarah, and I want to show you something. What I'm doing right now. Okay, these are, my tomatoes. Look at this. This is my little smoker that I smoke my fish in it. The temperature is almost 200 degrees, but look at this. I want to show you something. Look at the fish. And there's another layer. Oh my god. Look at, they're dripping. Oh my god. They're gonna be so good. I love it. I love it. So this is my homemade smoker, but that's the job, so that's all it is. That's what I'm smoking on. And this is like a oak wood pellets. So I'm gonna show you how the fish looks once it's done. And other than that, I had to replace my vegetables because they did not grow a lot at the place that they were. Right there, my flowers, they're growing in the swimming pool. The water is just awesome. Okay guys, so I'll show you later what I done with that fish. Okay, see ya, bye.